guys, so today I got a beautiful box from David's Tea. I ordered a whole bunch of Christmas clearance and I got like $50. For $50 I think I got like $200 or $300 of stuff. First thing that I'm showing you here are some of the samples that come with your package. I got 2 fruity teas and then just a North African mint tea. I always like getting these free samples to try something nice. Let's look how gorgeously they package everything, and I mean they just do a fantastic job. This is a Canadian company, but their shipping I think is out of Plattsburgh, New York, so it was like less than a week for me to get my tea. First thing I got was this 8 nights of tea, and I think it was like $8 for this, so like $1 per thing of tea, and it is a whole bunch of different Christmas blends and holiday themed teas, and I actually got 2 of these because I really like these sample packages, and look how very cute it's packaged. I mean, it's just adorable. So I got 2 of those. Usually when I do these like clearance shopping, I usually get 2 of everything. This is another really super cute little pouch. I think I'm going to use it for change after. It was snagging a bit because they had like packed it full of these sample packs of tea. So sorry it's not really focusing well here. We have a green passion tea, a nut one, the Buddha blend, the Earl Grey, and then this Robai tea. So really super cute, and that's going to make a cute little change purse. And we have a Christmas ornament. I just bought this because I needed a filler to try to get to $50 for the free shipping, and it has a big mouse on it, and if you guys know me, I hate mice, so yeah, I think that'll be on the back of my Christmas tree next year. A mouse cross-country skiing. He is busy when he's not tormenting me. And the vanilla swirl, one of my favorite blend, so very happy about that. And then I got these 2 little Nordic mugs, and they are in that teal blue color, which is really cute. My husband and I drink a lot of tea in the winter months to stay warm. So as you see, they have the lid and the diffuser, and I'll just show you what one of these mugs look like. I mean, they're just so super cute. So this is just my conclusion of my haul. If you have ever been curious to buy from David's Tea, they package everything really well. It is top-notch quality, and I mean, it's like a tea that's basically a dessert, which I absolutely love. It's just super high quality tea, this loose tea. I'm just such a fan of it. And to get you know, $250 of stuff for $50, that is just a steal. So that's it for now, guys. I will see you in the next one.